Just a little over a year after the start of the COVID pandemic, we're starting to see light at the end of the tunnel.
But how soon is too soon when it comes to our return to normal? County leaders in El Paso County say it can't come soon enough. Good evening, I'm Heather Skold.
And I'm Bart Bedsole. Thanks for making us your choice for news at 10 o'clock. Despite rising COVID-19 cases in El Paso County, commissioners remain eager to fully reopen.
At last check, Governor Polis was set to hand control of restrictions back to counties by the end of next week. And that could still change, of course, but 13 Investigates' Lauren Barnes did meet with the county commission today to hear why they believe it's safe to lift restrictions. Lauren.
Just this week, health department officials warn of more contagious COVID-19 variants spreading across El Paso County. But local leaders say other data shows it is safe for businesses like these to fully reopen.
April 16th, a week from Friday, is the day Governor Jared Polis is expected to hand over control of COVID-19 restrictions to local governments.
I would even encourage the governor to go faster if he were so inclined.
El Paso County reports a steady climb in COVID-19 incidents for the last 3 weeks. The current one-week average is 195. That means an average of 195 people per 100,000 have tested positive for the virus in the last 7 days. It's about double the number needed to move to looser guidelines, at least as long as the state health department remains in control.
Actually, those numbers become less relevant as more people get vaccinated. So every day that we get more people vaccinated, the risks just continue to go down.
Is there any concern that people will be less incentivized to get the vaccine if restrictions are lifted?
No, I don't think so. In fact, it might actually have the opposite effect of that.
El Paso County Commission Chair Stan Vanderwerf says commissioners will likely do away with most COVID-19 constraints once given the chance. He points to hospitalizations and deaths, which remain relatively low.
Hospitalizations, they continue to go down, really low numbers. And also, if you look at, deaths, obviously every death is an unfortunate consequence of COVID. But we haven't had any deaths in 9 days.
El Paso County Public Health reports 36 COVID-19 hospitalizations in the last week.
As for Governor Jared Polis, after announcing that cities and counties can take over COVID-19 restriction control next week, he then extended the statewide mask mandate through the end of April, a sign that he could possibly postpone that changeover of power. Reporting live in El Paso County, Lauren Barnes, 13 Investigates.